How to remove someone on LinkedIn without viewing their profile. Starting from the home page, you're going to go to My Network. You're going to go to Connections. On desktop, you get a nice search bar here. We're going to use Evan as an example. Next to Message, there's the three dots. Remove connection. It gives you a prompt. Are you sure you want to remove them as a connection? Don't worry, they won't be notified. And you can get them out of here. On mobile, this still works in the web version, like if you're on just a browser, but some of the applications don't have this three dots here. If you go here to search with filters, this is kind of what it looks like on the application, for Android at least. So best option is desktop, and or you can open up a mobile browser window and also do this, but you may not get the search feature. Just be careful browsing through all your connections on LinkedIn. I was scrolling through quite a few, and LinkedIn blocked my IP address a few months ago for unusual behavior.